Guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here today. I'm just going to show you one of our little installs we've done, which brings a great solution to your van or long wheelbase car. So if your car's sealed up at the back, some free advertising here for the company who've just done it for anyway. So just if your van's basically sealed up into the front part of the cabin, then obviously what you can do is this type of solution. As you can see, this is the little rear camera that we put in here. So I'll just go around to the front of the car. So as I say, if your van is, as you can see, all sealed up at the back, then this is a great solution. You can basically put one of these bad boys in. So effectively it's a DVR camera built into a rear view mirror. So basically it shows you here, you can get your viewing screen at the back of the car. It is a touch screen. It is a touchscreen system, as you can see. This is settings for controlling the screen itself. Obviously it's a recording screen, so it will act as a rear view camera too. Short video today, guys, so there's not really much I can show you on this. I will give you some more information on the screen itself and the functionality in another video, but just thought I'd bring this solution to you. Okay, take care, bye.